The new few. Stu has a few new toys. He shares with Lou. They play with the blue blocks. The blocks make a tower. Stu and Lou have fun with the new few.
The pea in the sea. Leah has a pea. She takes it to the sea. The pea rolls on the sand. Leah picks it up. Leah and the pea enjoy the sea.
The rainy train. Cain rides a train. It begins to rain. The train goes fast. Cain sees a mane. Cain and the mane enjoy the train.
The goat and the boat. A goat has a boat. He rows it to the moat. The boat rocks slowly. The goat sees a coat. The goat and the boat float by the coat.
The pie and the tie. Kyle bakes a pie. He wears a red tie. The pie smells sweet. Kyle sits to eat. Kyle and his tie enjoy the pie.
The house and the mouse. A mouse finds a house. The house is neat. The mouse goes in. He finds some cheese. The mouse and the house are happy.
The blue glue. Sue has blue glue. She uses it to make art. She glues paper and stars. The stars shine bright. Sue and the glue make art. The cow and the plow. A cow sees a plow. The plow is in the field. The cow pulls the plow. The ground is soft. The cow and the plow work hard. The seal by the sea. Neil sees a seal. The seal is by the sea. It plays with a ball. Neil claps and cheers. Neil and the seal enjoy the sea. The high kite. Nia flies a kite. The kite goes high. It touches the sky. Nia smiles wide. Nia and the kite soar high.